Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new product, that is Decathlon Perfly. Here is the product. It has PSC 100, Recreational, Lozier, Medium, Moyen. This is the product which I bought from Decathlon. And here you can see the picture of the shuttlecock, that is white, green and red. 3 different type of shuttlecock come in this. So let us look about the price of this. The MRP of this product is $2.99. I bought this from Decathlon stores and I have got this product for $2.99. Size is, it is mentioned here, that is 5.00 gram. It is a made in India product. It is a plastic shuttlecock. It is a badminton shuttlecock. It is designed primarily for recreational leisure play, and it is specially suitable if you are a beginner or play occasionally rather than competitively. Let's talk about the key feature. I will open this and I'll show you how many shuttlecock are coming in this. I'll also let you know about the key features of it. I have opened the cover and I will show you how many shuttlecock are coming in this. This is the white shuttlecock. This is the yellow shuttlecock. And this is a orange shuttlecock. So 3 shuttlecock are come in this tin. First of all, it is a plastic skirt. It helps in fly with stable and it is more durable than paper style shuttlecock. It is in medium speed, marked medium moyen, so it is balanced, not too fast or too slow, which is good for casual games. It is a foam or cork tip. Make it comfortable to hit and gentle on beginners, racket and players. And it is very lightweight and it is easy to carry. Both you can carry indoor and also outdoor. Now let's talk about the ideal use. It is recreational, that is, it is a beginner play. Casual games with friends or family. Occasional badminton session. And it is not suited for serious training or competitive matches. It is built for fun and easy play, not performance optimization. If you are looking for more durable or faster shuttlecock, you can go for a higher grade. There are many higher grade models that are available, but for medium speed leisure badminton, the PSC 100 is a perfect cost-effective pick for you.